Today I am excited to share another vlog from, drumrolls, Napoli. I spent 5 hottest days in Napoli or Naples attending a summer school. In this video I will give you a glimpse of Napoli and break down how much I spent during my stay. This wasn't my first time in Napoli. I was there last year but didn't have a YouTube channel to document it, so here you go, 1 year later. As a PhD candidate, I was accepted into a summer school organized by the University of Napoli L'Orientale, focused on Central Asia. It was incredibly beneficial to learn from leading experts and scholars in my field, connect with fellow PhD students, academics and professionals from around the globe, and present my research to a diverse audience for constructive feedback. I presented on the rise of capitalism in Central Asia. And the interesting part, I stayed in a monastery. Yes, you heard it right, a monastery. It's a big monastery church, I would say, which was turned into the big hotel. You can see it's around me, and it's literally, there are some nuns working here, so it's a very interesting experience. For 5 days I paid 200 euros, which is quite cheap, I think. Napoli is a lively and somewhat chaotic city filled with people, motorcycles everywhere. It's an old city and sometimes you feel it could use some maintenance. It's enjoyable for a visit, but I don't think I could live there long term. Graffiti is everywhere, and so is Maradona, on walls, t-shirts, souvenirs, cups and everything. You can see behind me a lot of them. Someone says it adds value to the city view, but I don't think so. Here is a look at the typical Italian breakfast I had for those 5 days. Usually it's coffee and pastry, but since I don't drink coffee, it was tea and a pastry for me. It cost me around 5-6 euros for such a breakfast. For someone who is used to a big Turkish breakfast, it wasn't very fulfilling, you know. But Italian food in general, one of my favorites. The pizzas, capresses, the pastas were absolutely delicious. Napoli is a birthplace of pizza, so if you want authentic Italian food, this is a place to be. Lunch or dinner cost me around 10-15 euros every time, but what was the interesting part, the prices in Michelin, fancy restaurants and ordinary ones are approximately the same. I also had the chance to attend a classical music concert thanks to a friend I met at this summer school. It was in an amazing venue that made you feel like nobility. I also had the chance to attend This was a piece of Napoli today. Hope you liked it and see you next week.